Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So I wanted to give you a couple of updates real quick. So for golden ticket signal, all the gold positions are closed out now. I was expecting gold to go down a little bit further, but it went up instead. So I had to close out of those positions. Secondly, I'm noticing that the broker MVFX, we've got a really high spread. Right, we've got a really high spread, and I found another broker that the spreads are significantly better. Now, what is spread? Spread is basically the difference between the bid and the ask price. Simply put, when you place a trade in forex, you set what is called a stop loss. Okay, so let's say that your stop loss is here at this line. The difference in the spread, in this case about 2.2 pips right now, 2.0 pips, it's fluctuating between. That means that the trade is likely to hit your stop loss if it does go up this high, because the spread, sometimes it widens a little bit, it widens and then it hits a stop loss. But if you have a broker with a tight stop loss, you win more trades, right? So for example, a Hero FX, and I've been testing out this broker, the spread has been it's been lower. See, it just went to about 0.07, 1.3, 1.5, but that is still lower than NVFX, and it actually helps to win more trades. And I've been testing them out and I like what I see. And their withdrawal processes are also faster. The withdrawals are faster than NVFX. So what I'll be doing is switching over to Hero FX, and we'll have a new signal to copy. I'm going to call it FX Supreme. Okay, and that will be a combination of a couple of different strategies that I'll use. One being the beat the market maker method, and the second one being 8-minute trader rev alerts. Okay, and let me show you the rev alerts real quick here. These are the rev alerts, okay? So even for pound CAD, a nice sell opportunity right here. So I haven't started incorporating the rev alerts yet. I plan to start on Monday, just because I'm still testing a couple things with it before I incorporate it into our signal. So FX Supreme is the new signal to copy. I'll show you what to do in terms of how to set everything up, but just get yourself set up, and then Monday I'll start trading both the rev alerts here as well as the beat the market maker method. Okay, all right, so how do you set it up? So first you need to register at Hero FX. So let me just go ahead and switch over to there. And the links and everything is in the description as well. And I'll include the instruction manual below as well. Okay, so this is the link to Hero FX, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this video. But very tight spreads in Hero FX. Very tight spreads. They have both MT5 and MT4, but for our purposes, we will be using the MT4 version. So first, once you arrive on the site, all you got to do is click sign up free here. So you click sign up, and then I'll go ahead, and I've already signed up, but I'll go ahead and plug in my details here so I can show you. Okay, so let me just pause the video while I do that. All right, so I've gone ahead and filled out my details. I'll just click on register. Okay. All right, so a couple of things you're gonna see once you log in. You're gonna see your email address has not been verified. Verify now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click verify now. Send verification email. Please click. Okay, so you click that button there, and it sent me an email. So let me just go and check my email. Okay, I see the email here. I'm gonna click on it and then click here. And that should verify. Perfect. Next step here, because I'm not using a real number here, I can't verify that, so I'll leave that alone. But you're gonna click here to verify your phone number. Okay. All right, your profile has not been verified. Okay, so I'll click here. Okay, so now what it's looking for is an ID. So you can use your driver's license or your passport to verify your profile. Okay, so what you do is you click upload, and then you would upload your ID document here. So the front side picture and the back side picture, and you can call it your ID or passport, and then you put the expiration date of your ID, and then you go ahead and do that. Then after that, you do your proof of address. Okay, so you would put the country, city, address, and postal code, and then you would put a picture of a letter that shows your proof of address. Okay, so you need to do that in order to pass the KYC verification. Okay, so once you have done that, then your account is not going to be limited, and you can deposit and you can withdraw. So you need to do your KYC, guys. Very important that you do so. And remember to verify your phone number as well. All right, so once you have verified your account, the next step that you need to do is, if you want to add two-factor authentication, you can click here under profile, and you can click two-factor authentication to set that up. Okay, so once you're done setting up two-factor authentication, then you can go ahead and click on, actually, you know what, let me just go ahead and enable mine. So I'll click on it here. Okay, and I'll go ahead and set this up now. Okay, perfect. So I've gone ahead and set up my two-factor authentication. So next you can go ahead and deposit. And if you need to withdraw from NVFX, you can go ahead and withdraw from NVFX so that you can make the deposit. And I can quickly show you how to do that. Okay, so what you want to do is log into NVFX, and then you go to, okay, so you select internal transfer, then you go to MetaTrader to wallet, because you're moving it from your MetaTrader to your wallet, and then you're transferring to USD 3546.47. Okay, and then you're moving the funds that are inside your account to the wallet, so you go ahead and do that. Okay, perfect. So I've got it there. It's right at the top left corner. All right, next, what I'm gonna do is go to withdraw, and then withdraw type Bitcoin. I select the amount, and I put the amount that I want to withdraw there, 3546.47. Okay, and then I click request withdrawal. Okay, now I'm just going to need to grab my Bitcoin address so that I can put it in there, my Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, so I put in my Bitcoin wallet address, and I just click on withdraw. Okay, now from time to time, if it does take longer than 24 hours, sometimes they'll ask you to do some validation before they release the withdrawal. So always check your junk or spam folder if you haven't received your withdrawal in 24 hours. Okay, and then you can also contact chat support at NVFX if you ever need to contact them for anything. Okay, and HeroFX also has chat support. Sorry, HeroFX actually also has a support help desk if you ever need to reach out to them as well. To do that, you just navigate to HeroFX, and that's the help desk here. Okay, so if you ever need to submit a ticket, you can do so, submit in the help desk, and they're usually really quick at getting back to you if you need anything. All right, so assuming you have done that, now you go in HeroFX, you go to funds, and you go to deposit, and you're going to then deposit to your wallet. Okay, yours will have 0 if you don't have anything inside your wallet, but I have some money in my wallet here, so that's why it's showing that, but yours will show 0. Okay, deposit from crypto address, continue, and you put your deposit amount. Let's say if I wanted to do 1,000, I'd put it there, and you select the protocol that you want to deposit with. So what currency? So you can use Bitcoin, you can use USDT TRC20, or you can use ERC20. Okay, so if you select BTC, for example, there, then you can use that. So these guys, HeroFX does have a 4% withdrawal fee. So when you do go to withdraw, there is a 4% fee that's charged on the amount that you're withdrawing there. So just keep that in mind. but it's definitely worth it because of their tight spreads. It's definitely worth it, and the minimum deposit amount is 25 USD. Okay, so keep that in mind as well. So in this case, you would click here, continue. I'm not gonna do it because I've already done it, but then you click continue again, and then it will give you the wallet address to send the payment to. Okay, so you send the payment to that address, and in several hours it can take for the withdrawal to arrive in your account, but then you should be able to see it when you go to accounts and accounts overview. Then you can see the deposit amount right here. Okay, so the next step you're going to do is you go to accounts. Okay, you go to funds. No, you need to create the account first. Yeah, so the next step is go to accounts and click open live account, select MT4 accounts, click continue, and click on MT4 raw spread. Okay, so you click on MT4 raw spread because this is the one with the tightest spread. Okay, and then you click on continue and click continue again, and boom. So they'll have your details here, such as your login ID and your password. Okay, you're gonna need this information for Social Trader. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do an internal transfer, and this information is also going to be sent over to your email. So first I'll do an internal transfer before I log into Social Trader. So I'm gonna go to funds, transfer funds, transfer from the wallet into the new account you just created, which is the MT4 raw spread account. Click continue, put $1,000, or sorry, put whatever amount that you had deposited. So in my case, with FX Supreme Signal, I'll be starting with $1,000 there. Okay, so then I'm going to click continue and continue, and boom. Now, if I go over here to accounts and accounts overview, I will see $1,000 in the account that I just created. Okay, so now I can check my email for the credentials that I need to add this account to Social Trader. Okay, so if I log into my email, you can see the account has been created. So next, what I'm gonna do is log into Social Trader to copy the signal for this account to this account. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so first you may need to remove your existing account if you from MVFX, right, in Social Trader. So you can go to configurator, go to accounts, and that will show you all your accounts, and then all you simply do is remove that existing account. So there's a red garbage bin icon, so you just click on it there, and then you click are you sure? Yes. Then you click delete, and that deletes the account. Okay, then if I want to add the account, all I click on is add account. Then I will go ahead and give it a name. In this case, for me, I just paste in my my trading account ID. So let me go ahead and grab it here. I'll put in my password that HeroFX sent me for the account, and I'm looking for HeroFX, and it's Pro 1 is the server. Okay, so I'll go ahead and select Pro 1, and I'll click add account. Okay, so now I'm waiting for this clock thing to turn green. Then I know that the account has been added. Okay, perfect. So it has turned green. So I see that my account has now been added. So I can go ahead and then copy the signal. All right, so what you do is navigate to the link for the signal, and I'll paste the link in the description of this video as well. So you navigate to the link, and then you click on follow signal. Okay, and then you click select. Perfect. Then you go over to configurator and you go to trade copier, and then you go ahead and click create copier. So you click create copier. You can remove the existing Prosper Signal copier, and then you click create copier. Okay, so FX Supreme, copy over, and then click on yes, check mark this box here and click create copier. Leave everything else the same, and then you go back here to this gear thing. Okay, and then what you're going to do is go over to risk settings and click force minimum lot and click update. Okay, so just like the other signals, I'd say have a minimum of, for this one, have at least a minimum of $100, okay, inside your trade copying account. Okay, all right, so then once that's done, all I'm gonna do is click on this red icon, change it to on, and click update, and then boom, that's set to now copy trades. So you're not gonna see anything just yet, because I'll start Monday. What date is that? I'll start Monday, December 5th is when I'll start pushing out trades. So then, you know, once you have it on and ready, then it'll copy over. I'm aiming for 2% a day in terms of ROI. Roughly about 40% or more a month is what I'm aiming for. So that's pretty much it. So once you have done that, you're all set to then receive the trades that I take starting Monday, and as well as the Revelers trades I'll start taking on Monday as well. Okay. All right. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Telegram. But as always, God bless. Have a great day. Bye-bye.